The secrets of Tahajjud. Tahajjud is one of the most beautiful and secretive acts of worship in Islam. It is the prayer of the night, performed when the world is asleep, when silence covers the earth, and when hearts are most open to Allah. Unlike the five obligatory prayers, Tahajjud is voluntary, yet its impact is beyond measure. It carries secrets that only those who taste it can truly understand. The first secret of Tahajjud lies in timing. Allah descends to the lowest heaven in the last third of the night and calls out, "Who is asking of me so that I may give? Who is seeking forgiveness so that I may forgive?" This is a time when dua is not just heard but cherished. The believer who stands then is like a guest personally welcomed by the King of Kings. The second secret is sincerity. Tahajjud is hidden from the eyes of people. No one claps for you, no one praises you. It is worship done only for Allah, free of show and pride. This makes it the purest form of connection, where the heart speaks without pretense. In this hiddenness lies its power. The third secret is strength. Tahajjud gives light to the heart and discipline to the soul. Waking up when it is most difficult builds willpower. The one who sacrifices sleep for Allah tastes a sweetness that no comfort can equal. It trains the soul to choose Allah over desires. The fourth secret is healing. Many people carry burdens, sorrows, and wounds that they cannot share with anyone. In Tahajjud, you pour them all before Allah. The tears that fall at that hour wash the heart. You rise lighter, calmer, and more hopeful. Scholars have called it the believer's therapy, the cure for loneliness and despair. The fifth secret is guidance. Great scholars, leaders, and saints of the past found their wisdom in the quiet of the night prayer. When the world slept, they asked for clarity, and Allah opened doors for them. Tahajjud gives a light that guides choices, softens the heart, and strengthens faith. Lastly, the secret of Tahajjud is love. You do not wake up at that hour unless your heart is pulled by love for your Creator. And the more you pray it, the more you long for it. The Prophet Muhammad prayed Tahajjud until his feet swelled, even though he was forgiven. He prayed not out of obligation, but out of gratitude and love. Tahajjud is not just a prayer, it is a secret meeting with Allah. It carries treasures hidden from the daytime world. Whoever discovers them will never be the same again.